How to stop pop-up ads and notification on Google Chrome in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Chrome browser on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the settings option over here, and then all you have to do is just scroll down and tap on the site settings option. So tap on site settings, and as you do that, you can just scroll down, and over here you can see the option of pop-ups and redirects. So tap on it and make sure that you toggle off this option, so this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects on your Google Chrome. Now go back and then tap on the sounds option over here, or the notifications, and then make sure to toggle off these options, and then go back and tap on the sound option as well over here. So make sure to toggle off this as well, and you'll be able to stop pop-up ads and notification on Google Chrome. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.